Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today what I'm going to be showing you, we got a short video of a Broan E60000 series range hood. The purpose of this video is just to give you an overview of where the main components are located. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the knobs if you ever have a knob that maybe perhaps breaks. We're going to go inside the unit. I'm going to show you how to replace the motor, and I'm going to show you how to get up inside this light panel assembly just in case you ever have to change a light socket assembly. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing that we need to do before we go up inside this unit or inside this unit, and let's make sure that that power is disconnected. Turn that circuit breaker off to disconnect the power to this range hood. On the Broan E60000, we have a series of baffle filters. This happens to be a 36-inch unit. We have 3 baffle filters in it. I'm going to go ahead and remove these baffle filters. You can do so by grabbing the handle, and if this were mounted, you'd be pulling it or sliding it towards you. In this case, sitting on the workbench for video purposes, I would lift up and pull out. There's a spring on the baffle filters. These baffle filters can be thrown in a dishwasher and washed that way. Or you could throw them in a sink of hot soapy water with some Dawn dish detergent. Cleans them well. So let's take these all out here. And that's 3. Here we have the motor assembly. The motor assembly is plugged in right here. This is a quick connect. So what you can do if you ever have to replace this blower assembly, take your thumb and your pointing finger and just squeeze on this, and you can unplug the motor. The motor is held in place by 4 screws. These are 5/16 of an inch screws. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'll show you how this blower comes out. It's really simple. I'm going to be using a drill with an adapter on. So I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out. And that's 2. And 3. And that is 4. And what you would do is this blower is kind of inside this bracket channel, just kind of slide it out, and there you would have the blower assembly. Very, very simple to replace a blower. Now if you were to replace it, you would just reverse it. You'd lock the side back into the channel, and you'd put the 4 screws back in. So let me get this blower on the side. If you ever needed to replace a knob, if you spin this knob, there is a hole in this knob, in the black part of the knob. That hole is basically, it's an Allen wrench screw. It's a 1.5 millimeter. So what you can do is you can take an Allen wrench if you ever need to replace it, and what you're going to do is you're going to loosen that screw like so. And that's what it looks like. Right here is the hole with that little set screw. So that's as simple as that gets there to replace a knob. If you ever have to get up inside this unit, into the nose of the unit, what you're going to do is there's 3 screws. There's 1 here, 1 here, and 1 right here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to loosen the 3 screws. It's 1, That is 2. And there is 3. There's a piece of band steel right here in the center, and that's actually what's holding this up right now. So you're going to take that piece of band steel, you're going to bend it straight. That whole light panel comes down like so. So here you have the 2 switches, the fan and light switch. Here you have the light socket assembly, and that light socket assembly, again, these are quick connects. Your pointing finger and thumb, squeeze and pull them right apart. This light assembly can be removed then just by grabbing it and turning like so. Just as simple as that. We try to make it easy to replace parts. Here we have the capacitor. Everything that you see is quick connects. Here we have the heat sensor. The heat sensor is just underneath the switch plate. Again, quick connects, just pull it off and everything can be replaced and put back together, assembled in reverse order. But that's all it is. I sure hope this video helps. Thanks.